How to set photo album in Mobile Legends. Watch this video till the end. To start with, click on your profile icon located at the top left corner. Next, select the option labeled Album. From your tap on the camera icon. At this point, you will be asked whether you want to take a new photo or pick one from your existing album. If you choose to upload, you can decide between selecting a picture from your gallery or from Google Photos. After choosing, click on the specific photo you want to upload. Now you will get the option to crop the photo. Once you are satisfied, hit the OK button at the bottom of your screen. Finally, confirm your selection by tapping the Confirm button. And your new photo will be added to your Mobile Legends album. And that's it. This is how to set photo album in Mobile Legends.